Enthusiasm for outdoor adventure was always there among a good number of people, even before the emergence of technology and innovation. But there were some limitations and obstacles. That was why outdoor activities were not that easy and not for everyone. Ever since the technology and modern innovation starts changing the outdoor industry, so many doors have been opened. It makes the life of outdoor freaks a lot easier compared to before. Now, people can go for outdoor exploration with their families and friends without even worrying about safety and security. So if you don't want to live under the rocks and don't want to stay old-fashioned, you should be aware of the latest innovations in the outdoor industry. Let's check out the top 5 outdoor gadgets innovation. When you are at outdoors for a longer period of time, it is not always possible to bring drinkable water from home and carry it all the time. Since you will be in the woods, on the mountain, or at the desert for outdoor exploration, you won't most likely to be able to find water source. Even if you are able to find one, you should give up the hope that the water will be fresh and drinkable. So in a camping trip or hiking, fresh water source can be a major concern for many of us. That's why a water filter can be a lifesaver if you know which one to get. Introducing the LifeStraw Go Water Filter, a product from the brand LifeStraw, which works to make water safe to drink, deliver products, ideal for home, outdoors, travel, and emergency situations. This water filter from LifeStraw works with great efficiency to remove bacteria and protozoa from the water taken from lake and stream to ensure safe and clean drinking water, and for this innovation, it even won awards. This water filter can remove 99.9% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites without chemicals, iodine, or batteries, ensuring chemical-free natural water for drinking. It's two-stage activated carbon filter that reduces odor, chlorine, and leaves zero aftertaste so that you can enjoy clean, drinkable water at any situation. The LifeStraw Go Water Filter comes with lightweight design and ultimate versatility that makes it perfect for any outdoor adventure. With the LifeStraw Go, you can drink water straight from the nearest stream, puddle, or pond. Makes it perfect for travel, backpacking, camping, and as emergency kits. Whether you are heading to explore the wild or the mountains for a quick hike or for weeks at a time, you need to make sure you have the right gear, clothes, and essentials. But without a perfect backpack, it's quite impossible to keep all of them organized and carry. Getting a backpack might seem very easy, but if you want to get one for outdoors, well, you need to prioritize on the comfort part, as you need to take some great load on your back. Apart from them, if your backpack features additional benefits, that would be very awesome, right? Well, let us introduce you with the Beam Backpack, designed for not only keeping stuffs, but also for doing something more. It is the most advanced solar power backpack created by Kingston's Prime, which was established in 1997 as a brand of stylish yet affordable range of digital bags. This backpack has the smart feature to convert solar energy into electrical energy so that you can charge your devices when you are exploring the woods, hiking on the mountain, or walking on the trail. It includes one USB charging port along with the micro USB charging port, facilitating flexible charging benefits. It features multiple storage pockets, including one separate large compartment to carry 15.6 inches laptop with 10.1 inches tablet. Another one spacious packing compartment is designed to keep regular necessities. Its dual quick access side pockets are designed to keep water bottle, umbrella, and other smaller objects, which you might need frequently while moving. It also features anti-theft buckle system, which allows you to lock the buckle around your valuable items and protect them from getting stolen. Its ergonomic design and compression shoulder strap stabilize the weight on your lower back, allowing you to carry all of your items comfortably. The Beam Backpack is crafted with water-resistant and durable fabric along with metal zippers, ensuring a secure, long-lasting usage at outdoors even during rainfall. If you want to get multiple benefits out of a single backpack in any camping trip and while living off the grid, then the Beam backpack is the right choice for you. Every outdoor activity is fun. When you are out there with your family and friends for camping and outdoor get-together, entertainment brings life there. If you want to have a party for the whole night, a portable Bluetooth can be the ultimate solution. That's why we have come up with the white version of the LG X Boom PK7, a flagship Bluetooth party speaker from LG. LG's audio division might not be up to the mark earlier, but this device is tailored by audio grandmasters Meridian and LG together, which have made this device phenomenal. The LG X Boom PK7 is the big brother of X Boom Go family, featuring multi-color lighting and 22 hours long battery life, designed to keep the party going on long into the night. This portable speaker supports dual bass support and tweeters for the complete audio package. These dual passive radiators act like mini bass drivers that not only provide an outstanding bass but also more energy to the party, allowing you to play a song with strong bass and be blown away as the sound pulse with energy and passion. It gets connected to throughput aptX HD, allowing you to get the best possible audio output from the PK7. Being able to support dual play connection, you and your friends can enjoy stereo sound by pairing two speakers, which enhances the audio experience. It's water and weather resistant with IPX5 rating, allows you to continue the party in any weather condition without even worrying whether it's raining or snowing, plus its handle ensures comfortable portability. If you don't want to have your party interrupted with those backdated speakers having low playback time, then go for this white LG X Boom PK7. Imagine yourself in the middle of a camping, hiking or expedition at the wildest jungle, mountain or island, with all of your necessary outdoor gadgets and gear, but all of them are dead because you don't have the power there to run them. What would you do in such situation? All gear are dead means you have less chances to survive any emergency situations. That's why you need to carry a powerhouse with you. Introducing the imuto DigiPower S5 portable power station. The imuto is a high-tech enterprise with global reach, primarily focusing on new energy, consumer electronics and brand operation. The imuto DigiPower S5 portable power station is the newborn addition to their line, a 50,000 mAh solar-ready portable power station that can recharge and power your smart devices at outdoors and micro home appliances at your home. This power station has multiple methods for charging, including charging from solar panel and car charger. It features intelligent power detection technology that can detect the device type and charge the device faster, and also protects both the power station and other connected device against overheating, overcurrent, and short circuit. Its smart features include LED display that visualizes information of input and output of charge and remaining charge. It has 3 USB output, 1 USB-C PD port, and an AC plug to either charge or run other devices. There is also a DC plug for input and another for output, and a port for car cigarette fuel socket. So smartphones, laptops, DSLR cameras, GoPro, drones, and mini home appliances, no matter which gadgets you want to bring at outdoors, with this power station, you can charge them all. In emergency situations, the power station is also capable of giving backup to micro-medical devices and the LED light that can send SOS signal in case of accident and natural disasters. After a successful campaign on Indiegogo, the imuto S5 power station is available online. If you are always on the move for adventurous outdoor activities, the imuto can be a great power source to run all of your accessories. It serves while raiding, emergency lighting, and doing field work as well. While traveling, camping, long drive, and other on-the-go adventure, nothing is better than a cold and refreshing beverage. But The problem is, while you are at outdoors, it seems quite problematic to get cool refreshment unless you carry a cooler. Again, the old school cooler has hardly been advanced, requiring lots of ice, yet to keep beverage cold for long and also too bulky to carry. So to keep things simple, the iFreezer Go20 comes with great innovation to ensure fresh supplies for outdoors. The iFreezer Go20 comes with a true dual-zone portable cooler and freezer with incredible performance and astonishing design, providing reliable refrigeration and freezing to keep your food and drinks cold and refreshing. It uses Secop PD1.4F VSD compressor that provides energy-efficient, sustainable, and smart performance. You can simply plug it into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter power point and hit the road. The smart gadget features a smartphone app which suggests the proper temperature settings for different foods and beverages that makes it super easy to control, and also its monitor with digital display and touch operation ensure food and drinks stay within the appropriate temperature range. It has a removable divider for optimal organization and an independent dual-zone design so you can have different beverages at the same time. This freezer is spacious enough to store 20 liters of stuffs. That means you can keep 9 bottles of red wine or 29 cans of Coke. The iFreezer Go20 weighs just 10.8 kilograms and with comfortable built-in handles makes it easy to carry it anywhere you go. The iFreezer Go20 is currently collecting investment through the crowdfunding campaign and expected to be in the market real soon. If you are an outdoor freak with high standard of appetite, always want to consume fresh beverages, then this gadget is surely gonna make you wow. So that was all about the top 5 outdoor gadgets innovations. Like, share and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this on your feed.